Hi everyone. I'm going to go over ClassLink in this video. So ClassLink, what is it? It's basically going to be the starting off point for teachers and students to access all of your web-based resources. Anything that requires a username or password is going to be stored in ClassLink. So the idea is that we won't have to remember all of those various logins, and neither will students. So on a computer or on a Chromebook, you would access ClassLink with the URL launchpad.classlink.com/closter. So we would be bookmarking or making this particular website our favorite. Now for teachers and for third and fourth graders, they're going to click on sign in with Google and use their student ID number at mvnet.org and of course their password to log into their ClassLink accounts. For our K-1-2 students, they can use their QR code. It's called a quick card. And get into their accounts that way. So I'm going to go over the teacher, some of the features on the teacher ClassLink Launchpad. So I'm going to click on sign in with Google. Of course, then you can choose your NVNet account. So this is the My App screen, or I like to call it the Launchpad. This is where all of your online resources will be located. Now, if prompted, you're going to enter your username and password once, and ClassLink will remember it for you. So in some cases, you won't have to enter anything at all. So if we were going to go to Super Teacher Worksheets, you'll see that, there we go, we're right in as HES teacher. Now to go back to your Launchpad, just go back one tab, or you can close this tab out. And so, like I said, for some of them, it'll go straight in, and others, let's say Schoology, you might have to put it in. If you get this prompt here, then put it in. What is my password for Schoology? We have to enter it one time and say save. And there we go. Ooh, compromise pass. Okay, so I'm in Schoology. So let's test this out. I did it one time. I can close this, come back. Next time I come in, let's test it and see. There we go. So, perfect. It's now saved my username and password, and now I no longer have to enter that in. All right, so that's how you're going to go through all of them, enter in your username and password once, and going forward, you won't have to enter it again. Same thing with the students. So with the students, we're going to have to pretty much help them enter in their username and password once, and then they should be good to go as well. To edit your password, all you have to do is right-click on any application. To do that on a Mac, you're going to put 2 fingers down on the trackpad and click with your thumb. Or you can hold down the control key and clicking with your mouse. Here you'll see edit password, and this is where you can update or change your stored username and passwords for any of your applications. Since we've got the app options list open here, let's go over a couple of them. One is called Set AutoLaunch. This app will open in a new tab when you log in. So you would set AutoLaunch for any of your applications that you want to open right away. If I click Set AutoLaunch, you will see that there's this little rocket icon. So it will tell you that Schoology is something that I've chosen to open as soon as I log in. I can remove AutoLaunch just simply by right-clicking again and removing AutoLaunch. Another thing you can do is add it to your favorites bar. So when I select this, it's going to star it, and you'll notice it drops it down to the bottom of my screen. This down here at the bottom is your favorites bar, so you can quickly access any of your favorite applications. You can easily remove it, same thing, remove your favorite. Other things you can do is you can create folders so that you can group similar applications together. You can also add tags, and tags will then allow you to sort or filter your applications. The next thing I want to show you is up here. This plus sign allows you to customize your Launchpad with applications that you don't currently see on your Launchpad. If I click on the plus sign, you will see a variety of different applications that you can add. You can either search for it up here if you know exactly what you're looking for, and let's say extra math, and then you might add it. It says it was added successfully. You close the window up here with this red X, and there it is. The other thing you can add are websites. So it can be a favorite website that you like to use. So once again, go to the app library and now click on Add App. And then you can put in your own app. Now, if I was going to add in something like the Weather Channel, here it is. Click on it. It was added for me. Let's take a look. Here it is, Weather Channel. There we go, right to my favorite weather website. Next to the app library is the edit mode. Here you can customize the look of your Launchpad. You can choose theme, app size, font style, palette, custom wallpaper. You can also create folders here. Over on the very left, the 3 horizontal lines, this is where you can access support documents. Here you will find videos, screenshots, and directions on how to use your ClassLink account. On the right, the upper right, click here. This is your profile picture. You can click on Settings. And if you'd like to customize your image, you click on the little gear, and there's quite a few avatars from which you can choose your own personal image, or you can upload your own. You can select a theme, so you can actually have your Launchpad have a look primary or professional. You'll notice here, as far as app passwords, instead of right-clicking, you can come right over here and edit your login, your username and passwords. And also for auto-launching, you can select 5 apps to auto-launch. So instead of right-clicking, you can just select the 5 right here. And here is how we sign in. So that's pretty much it. The last thing that I'd like to emphasize is please make sure to tell your students to sign out of their ClassLink. And same for you, especially if you're using a shared device. And hopefully this gives you kind of an overview of ClassLink. Like I said, we'll try to help set the students up with their accounts, and hopefully going forward, it'll be something that will make our lives a little bit easier, and certainly our students.